Step slide forward. Step slide back. Step slide right. Step slide left. Quarter pivot right. Quarter pivot left. Push, shuffle forward. Push, shuffle back. Slide, shuffle forward. Slide, shuffle back. C-step back. Step slide forward. Step slide back. Step slide left. Step slide right. Quarter pivot left.
So is this in the form?
Yeah.
So we have this, now it's in most karate. Tangsoodo, Hangi's Tangsoodo only has it in one form, it's called Sojin. And so at the end of the form you go, you need to do this. And it's just, he punches and this is, just because 1, 2, so you just go bump.
Let me borrow this for a second. And then you repeat it in the mirror image.
Yeah, that's all that we do. It's this.
And unlike many of the other sections of the form, that's one of the few where you do the same thing over and over and over again. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, like I said, there's a mirror image, so you end up doing this Poh Pai 8 times.
Poh Pai. So this is only in the white crane forms that we get. So like the forms that we get literally from Fujian white crane. So it's in Samjun, and it's the last movement. It is like the ending position, right? So like Samjun, you know, right? This all looks familiar.
Yeah.
Right? You do this going up, and you go back, and then you go 1, 2, and then you go here. And it's the last movement. Seishan is the same thing. Bang, 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 bang.
Seishan.
And you do that, and you do blah, 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 and then you go, and then you go.
Oh, crap. That was the last one I did for Sifu Load.
Seishan?
Sensei Load. Yeah. That's what I had to do that one for my brown belt.
Yeah.
And then he had me spar a guy, and then without telling me, he had a guy from the audience jump up while my back was turned and kick me in the back.
Love it.
And then whoa, 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 bap, 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 bap.
Can we apply, was that a lot that you did? Because I felt you going forward.
Oh, so like if you punch,
right.
This is 1, 2.
It could be a lot.
It's essentially this. As I bring you in, and then it's you. That could also be
just
this.
Talks out.
Just snap. Right.
Talks out.
Yeah.
Is what we would call it.
It's just here, and then so it's just 1, 2.
Because what I'm feeling, what I'm seeing is almost like we were doing last week.
Yes, I was going to say, yes, it could be like a lot, but that would be what I'm getting ready to do to you and what I'm having you now do are counter to each other.
Okay.
So this would take more effort on my part because I've literally pulled your weight down on me. I would be, in Wing Chun, I would be more inclined just to move this out of the way.
Right.
And then just get, as a last move, go away.
Yeah.